name is Deborah Fogerty, and I have been seeing Dr. Nyree for about 12 years, on and off. I was referred to Dr. Nyree by a friend who thought her expertise would help my husband at the time, who had cancer, but he decided not to see her. And at that time I was under a lot of stress taking care of him, so I decided to go to see her myself. And when we initially met, Dr. Nyree was able to see that I was definitely experiencing a high degree of stress, and we went through my medications. I was on high doses of antidepressants, and also I took cardiac medications. I had had palpitations, and I had had cardiac ablations for a very high heart rate. She was able to decrease and actually get me off all of those medications, and I started doing chelation to detox my body. In the beginning it took a long time to get through the treatments. They seemed to affect me quite a bit, so we had to go very slow. We also dealt with my emotions, my spirituality, my fears, and I had a lot of fears because I knew that my husband probably wasn't going to make it, and that's what happened. He actually passed away from the cancer, and I did feel guilty because I could not get him to come to Dr. Nyree. As far as referrals go, I had a friend that had cancer 4 times, and I sent her to see Dr. Nyree because I thought that she could help her. This friend decided after several rounds of chemo and radiation and surgery that she didn't want to have any more chemo and radiation. So when she came to Dr. Nyree, the treatment has been a success, and it's been 4 years that she has been doing high-dose vitamin C IVs and meditation and yoga, and has been directed by Dr. Nyree to calm herself from the inside, which it's working. Her lymph nodes that were affected calmed down, and she is doing so much better. And just last week I had another friend who actually had met Dr. Nyree in the past but has moved to a different state. She called me and she asked me if she thought Dr. Nyree would treat her, and absolutely Dr. Nyree will treat her, whether she is able to return to Florida for visits or she does Zoom meetings with her patients, and she does very extensive workups. So she will check everything and formulate a plan for you that will calm your mind, your body, and your soul. I highly recommend you to see Dr. Nyree. I think that she can help pretty much anyone. She's very honest, she's very grounded, and she is an excellent physician.